Okay, so the given information for this problem is that 32% of voters had already voted, and we have that, and this was before noon, and then we have that number is 501, right? So 501 people have already voted, and both of these are before noon. Then they want us to find what is the number of people in that district, right? Of people in the district. So the total amount of population in that district. So I'm going to go ahead and write this again. So I'm going to go ahead and combine the given information that they gave us. So basically they're telling us that 32% of the number of people, I'm going to say of the total district population is 501. So notice how I'm kind of combining what they want us to find with the percent and the number that they gave us, right? And from here I can actually go ahead and write my percent proportion. So let's go ahead and identify what are the of and the percent, right, that is given. So in this case we have 32 is a percent, right? We don't have the number of, right, the total district population, so that's where we're going to see our variable. And then we have that this percentage is 501. So I'm going to go ahead and write my proportion first. So remember is over of equals the percent over 100. So we have 501 over, let's say x, for the total district population equals 32, which is a percent, over 100. So again, we have 501, that is the is, right? We have 32, which is a percent, and then we have x, which is of, right? We don't know what the total district population is, right? So we don't know what is the 32% of what number. So we use a variable to represent that. And from here, we can go ahead and multiply the two values that we have across. So 500 times 100, and then divide by 32. So then x equals 501 times 100, and then divided by 32. So x equals 50,100, and then we divide by 32. So 50,100 divided by 32 gives us 1,565. And then it says 0.63. However, we do not have a decimal amount of a person, so we are going to write this as x equals 1,565 people. Again, because 0.63 is less than one more, right? So we are just going to round it down. So we have 1,565 people in the district. And this is an approximation, so I'm going to change this to the approximation value. So it's like a curvy equal sign. And go ahead and write my final statement. So the total population in the district is of 1,565 people.